Hello friends, the IPO market in India has today become like a slot machine in a casino. Retail investors are rushing to put their hard-earned money in the IPOs in the hope of making a quick 5 to 10,000 rupees if they get allotted one application. That's a dangerous trend, especially if you look at the startup IPOs that have hit the market. Yesterday, Zomato had a stellar listing, went up to 135, then kind of closed at 125, but it's a loss-making company. Paytm has filed its DRHP stating that, dear investors, we have continued to make losses over the near past and will continue to make losses over the foreseeable future. Still, we want to command a valuation which is like crazy, but invest in us because of listing gains. It is not just retailers' money that is being put in here. Mutual funds who collect money from retailers in the form of SIPs again are putting these monies as anchor investors. The startup market in India, I was very happy all this while that this entire cash burn based model, that you are just showing traction, getting more valuation, another VC is funding at a higher valuation. So it is like VC A is supporting VC B by giving an exit to VC B's investment. VC B will support VC A by giving exit to VC A's investment. It is like a pool party which is going on, and in the process, unfortunately, where foreign money was coming in, a SoftBank, Japan's money was being burnt in India, or an Ant Financial's money was being burnt in India, the Chinese money, or some money would have been coming from US or Norway or from the Middle East. Now it is the hard-earned money of Indian retail investors, the pension money, the PF money that is being burnt on these startups, and that is a dangerous trend. People are investing in these startups to make quick bucks, and I will remember, and I very distinctly remember my childhood days where Harshad Mehta, that scam exploded. Of course, I was just a small child, but I saw losses. There was a bloodbath. Everyone who was super excited by the markets bled. That got repeated in Ketan Parekh, and then .com, and then subprime crisis, and then the last instance where this happened was before the reintroduction of the long-term capital gain in the union budget of 2018. Everyone was making money and markets were moving up as if there is no tomorrow. But then the crash happened and I lost money. I invested in an S-Chand at 650 rupees. I sold that investment recently at 60 odd rupees. So IPOs are not a sure shot way of making money, especially these cash burn based startups. As Aviral Bhatnagar, one of the famous influencers on LinkedIn and Twitter, puts in that there's this pub in Bangalore. 1 million people come into the pub. They don't even buy a single drink, but the pub raises the next round of funding. So this is how this startup ecosystem is working in India, and unfortunately, because they are now getting listed at attractive gains, the party is going to become all the more merrier for this entire participants, these VCs, these Ps, the startups, their founders, their employees, and in the process, it is the retail investors who want to make quick bucks through these IPOs who will eventually have to bear this whole loss. Is it so easy that everyone will make money in the stock markets? It is a zero-sum game. If someone makes money, someone has to lose money, right? How can it be that everyone is keeping on earning money every day? Every day you read WhatsApp groups, someone puts a status that buy this stock, 10% upside, stop loss 5 rupees down, and after 2 days he says please exit, and everyone says wow, congratulations, you really helped us make quick money. It cannot be so easy. If it were to be so easy, no one would have worked for the Tatas and Birlas, slogging their backside off the whole day for that fixed salary. If the stock markets give you like 10-20,000 rupees a day from some easy WhatsApp based investment tips. And I'll tell you, because I have lost money in the market big time, so I know. You can say that sir, it's अंगूर खट्टे, आपका एनालिसिस उतना अच्छा नहीं है, किसी का एनालिसिस उतना अच्छा नहीं होता है, थोड़ा तकदीर का खेला होता है, हाउ वेल यू आर कनेक्टेड, हाउ मच इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग दैट यू कैन डू. सो आई वुड रैदर recommend that you please stay away, or at least have a very calibrated approach to the stock markets. You remember that Jaspal Bhatti's IPO PP water balls with foreign collaboration, Red Lion, who was nothing but another pav bhaji maker or some other puchka maker, in his London some relative foreign collaboration, EOU. This is how this all IPOs are being sold. Zomato does not make money, but it has access to a lot of big data. It has got insight into the behavior of Indians, and maybe this data is the next oil, and etc. etc. Please be careful. This is my limited submission in the form of this IPO frenzy. I thought that I will be worthwhile, that I will make this video and articulate my perspective. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the best. Bye bye.